Hello guys, I'm going to be another review of my Nerf gun. I hated the last video because I didn't talk to you very much. Okay, so I'm starting okay, we're making another video because I've got, let's talk to the people more. Talk to the people.
Hello guys,
Hey.
this is a lovely video.
No, it isn't. It's not going to turn out lovely, is it?
It's not going to turn out lovely, but I know that this is Kitty Walker.
And Kitty Walker.
Kitty Walker always. Kitty Walker.
They're called Peeps.
Hello. Today we're going to
Okay. No, yes. Okay. Are you? Oh, you're disgusting. I'm not putting that in the video, guys. Okay, Katie Walker. Tell us about Katie Walker, guys. Guys, leave a thumbs up if this is new. But I've got something that will keep us quiet this time.
Kitty Walker.
Look. I ain't gonna shoot you. It's on my lap. Oopsie. That I accidentally pulled the trigger. And did it shoot you? Did it hurt?
Kitty Walker.
We are doing a review of a Nerf gun. Which means I'm doing a review on the bed too, so she's getting out of it. Well, might as well. And I like how it shoots guys. It's like connected. This is. Oh no, you don't. Oh, yes, I do. And I like how this one shoots and it. You can see I put different coloured darts in it. I made a rainbow colour dart. But
Kitty Walker.
shut up, Nevaeh. Alright. Okay, so, hey guys, do you want to teach her a lesson? PPT, all the way. I'm just stealing that from another video I watched. Yes. Finally, she's out of this bloody review of Nerf guns. Well, I might as well. Open these. Let's see how many are.
Kitty Walker.
Okay. Might as well.
Kitty Walker.
Okay, that's it. I've had enough. If she can't. Wait, guys. I've got the perfect thing. Let me cut this bit out. So, yay! I'm doing a review of a Nerf gun. Woo! Hey! I'm gonna keep on talking to you. I'll cut it down. That was rough. Peace out.